Welcome to the channel, guys, and today we're going to have a look at Boeing in Sheffield. I saw it on the motorway on the way past and I just wondered what it was, and it was opened in October 2018 and it is the first manufacturing site in Europe, and it manufactures components for trailing edge actuator systems for the 737 aircraft. The 737's been in the news a little bit recently, hasn't it? So ties in nice, ties in well. So let's have a wander around and see what we can see. Boeing Sheffield. Nice. Let's have a wander up, let's go close to the sign and see what they say. We won't go over where the tarmac changes colour, so they can't complain at us. Signed Boeing. Goods in and out, 10 mile an hour, no smoking, high vis required. Some barriers, 24-hour CCTV, some storage and some skips. Let's have a quick wander up the side. Got some shutter blinds there, can't see anything through them with it being dark inside. I think we're coming round to the main entrance. Let's get the other camera on, have a look. Boeing. Building, nice front entrance over there with the Boeing logos inside. And upstairs we have got an office. We can see a high visi in the window up there, but we'll leave them alone. They'll say come out to speak to us. I haven't seen any electric charging for the staff. Meant to be over 100 on site. So we'll have a look at that with the drone if it's not too windy. We'll also have a look up top, see if they've got any solar panels. So let's head back round to the front with the big, well, to the back with the big Boeing logo on the side, and we will get the drone up there and have a quick look. Have a look in the skips as well, because I'll have a better line of sight on the drone too. We'll take the drone off from over there somewhere, out of the way completely. So that's where we'll go, and we'll set the drone up and take it over. I have checked on drone assist. I've checked on drone assist, and there are no flight restrictions where I am at the moment. So it is time to
check into the skies.
Sheffield. So if you like that, then give it a like, follow and subscribe.